Boit started back in 1981 in our garage in Westerville, Ohio. My father started the company developing small pieces that were needed by equine veterinarians.
And there was a problem back then of storing the medication, spoilage, breakage. And so he came up with an idea to build a box. So he went home to his garage, built a box, and started giving them away to the vets. Well, they were hits. So the more they asked for them, he would build them on the weekends. Well, in 1981, he was getting so many requests for the boxes that he formed Boit. And over the years, we went from building boxes to building cases that would lock in the back of vehicles. And then from that, about 1989, we started building clinics.
Boit is different in a sense that we are really focused on quality of what we build. We don't try to please everybody in every industry. We take the industries that we do build for and we go deep within their industries to make sure they're getting not only good flow, good floor plans, but high quality materials so these trucks last a long time.
Our quality comes at a price. It is not an existing shell that we're filling in. We're building this from 2 rails up. So it shows in the quality. I urge everybody to come visit. We're more than happy to show you how these are made and how it is a commercial build and how it will outlive pretty much any other mobile unit that you may be considering.
Boit's warranty is very unique in our industry of building trucks because since we have the luxury of designing our trucks from the chassis up, we've really designed and engineered them to be durable, to be strong. Everything's welded, it's not fastened. That makes it a very reliable, very durable product, and we know that. So we offer the longest warranty in the industry, and we back it up.